Okay. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I am Aidan Rigecha, and I'm here to present about multi-sim, particularly about half-wave rectifier, half-wave rectifier circuit with absolutely no preparation. So let's get started. A bit higher, I must say. However, it is what it is. Now then, where do I start? Yes, of course. An AC source. Then we need the parts. The transformer. There we go. I'm not so sure as to what specifications of this transformer we're dealing with. However, I do know we need a resistor. An 8.2K ohm resistor, particularly. So, and then this is a scary place, I must say. Oh, and just in case. Now, we also need, we will eventually need a capacitor, but more importantly, we need one more thing. Yes, a diode. Specifically a 1N401, I think. Sure. Let me just check. Yep. Correct. Nada. First our circuit should be easy enough. Arrange it like this. Positive here. Negative here. My alignment is terrible, but I can fix that later. However, next. Connect these two. That up one bit. And we have the entire circuit. Now, what else? Oh yes, we will need an oscilloscope. My bad. Well, this is how it goes. Anyways, for the input, we have this one, and then this one. And then for the output, we have this one, connected to the negative end of the diode, and the ground, which I almost forgot. Sources. You have the ground. Reference to 0. And it will likely not run without it, so. Well, let's get into it. Well, not quite. And there's the half-wave rectification in the output terminal, which is B over here, channel B. Here and over here. This is the load. And so, well, circuit number 1. Before that, we need to measure something. The voltage, which we could have two things. One is a multimeter for here, yes. Which can measure the voltage. Yes, voltage here at the output as well. And we can open this voltage. This is half. So how would it work? I'm not entirely sure. Let's test both of them actually. 6.3, 5.1. Yeah, that would work. Now then, next circuit. We just need to add one tiny little thing. A capacitor. Basic capacitor. I don't think I need polarity on this one. Or do I? I'll try both. capacitor, and so this is not correct. Well, so we need 1000. Wait, yeah, we need 1000 microfarad capacitor, which means side leg 4. That's not it. It's probably here. There we go. Capacitor polarizer and polarized as well. There you go. Let's test this out, just in case. Now, back to it. Well, actually, I think I can do the rest. Oh, and one more thing. The audio might be different. Depends on which one I use. But I forgot to change the voltage of the capacitors. However, I don't think that affects it very much, so yeah, that's all. That's it. Just random note. Now there is a slight thing I forgot. Good thing I've caught it before I went to it. I forgot to change the value of the resistor. I mean, capacitor. So this should be 1000 microfarads or 1 millifarad. 1 millifarad. Now, is it true? 1 microfarad and 1 millifarad. I mean, yeah, that. And so it looks more like DC current. Now, it probably actually is a DC current with 16 volts. So, I mean, this is quite high of a capacitor, to be honest. So, I guess that's how it works. Anyways, back to the speed up. And if we can also do that for the other circuits, and well, that sounds simple enough. Any data will be recorded eventually. So finally,